Hi guys, so we're gonna do oil change on Kenworth T680 Cummins engine, i615. That's a nice truck. Let's see what's inside. Yeah, looks good. It's 2022. When you're replacing water separator, always replace gaskets, or make sure somebody replaces them if you're at the shop, because we had a problem before. The guy came, the truck would not start, had to prime it all the time, and that was the problem. Somebody did not replace the gasket and I was sucking air in, so keep it in mind. Same thing here. There is a gasket. You always have to put a new one. It always comes with a new filter also. Okay, let's find the filter that we need. Yeah, that's the one. So before you refill it, don't forget to close the drain plug, and always refill it with a fresh fuel. Don't put the same one there, because you're gonna clog your filter back. That's the diesel, so don't get confused, it's not the icer. It's done, so we have to close the plug now. Again guys, when you refill it, refill with a fresh fuel when you put the new filter. Okay, so it's done. Now we're gonna go do oil filter. That's where he is, right there. And the number for this one is right here. Okay, so it's done. Now we're gonna refill the oil. The capacity usually says here 11 gallons. So we usually do until 42 on this one, then check the level, and if it has to be added, we add more. Have to add a little more. Let's do 43 and a half. Perfect. Okay, so it's done. Let's start it.